to my channel. Thank you all so much for tuning in. And in today's video, you will see me decorating my bookshelves. Yes, I have removed old home decor and I have shopped my home. Some of the things you will see that are very familiar, and I have done a haul on it. And I gotten some items from my family room and placed them here in the living room. So in my family room, I am going to redo it by, placing it with Christmas items, Christmas home decor, and changing out curtains and pillow covers. So you will see that later in a video. Not today's video, but on another video coming soon. So you guys, you will see me placing some items on the shelves, and I'm looking, and then again I'm taking off some items that I may not like. So I'm just kind of like putting it to where or how I want it to be. I'm trying to declutter my home, which I have done already, and I don't want to buy a lot of things so that my home would be cluttered and I have no space to put them. So I'm going to shop around my home and decorate this bookshelves. So you guys, I just want to say thank you all so much for tuning in. And if you're new, welcome. And if you're watching, please consider unsubscribing to my channel. And thank you again. Be sure to thumbs up this video, comment, hit the notification bell button so that you will not miss out on any of my videos. So you guys, continue to enjoy the video and listen to the music, and I will catch you on the next one. Thank you so much for watching.
To be true, it's all about you. 어떡해? 내 모든 노래 널 향해 가고 있으니까. It's you again, yeah. Baby, it is true. 내 손에 닿은 이 연기에 다른 어떤 말로 설명할 수 없는 거야. All I want is just one kiss. 찾아낸 내 이야기 사가진 꿈처럼 부드러운 lullaby. No fooling around, maybe you're right, maybe it's a fantasy. I don't care what people say.
though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops. Now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no. 'Cause I love you, baby. I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't. I've been looking for love so true. When I was down and out, along came you. Though you might be a liar,